Welcome to the Prosolar Guide to completing your SEAI Solar PV application form. Once you log into the SEAI, the claims portal, under My Applications, you want to create a new application. This will take you through to the application form, and we're going to start with the MPRN number, which is the 11-digit number on the top right of your electricity bill. So enter the MPRN number and click Check MPRN Address. Once you do this, the Solar PV box and the applicant system size box will appear. Check the box next to Solar PV and enter the system size that was calculated in step 3. This includes a decimal point. For example, 3.48. This area down here in grey will automatically be generated from the MPRN number that you entered. Scrolling down now, we need to enter the address. Please make sure that fields with the red asterisk are marked. These are mandatory fields. This is the address that all of the communication will be sent to. Please make sure that you select your appropriate county from the drop-down box, and if you need any help with the air code, use the link here for the air code finder, which will open in a new tab. Use the website to find your full air code and then return to your application form and enter the air code. Please mark if the house was on an island and enter the year that the house was built, for example, 2001. Now you'll need to choose a company. Click on that search button and in the search bar type Prosolar. Click the search button and then tick the box next to the word Prosolar. Now click Select and continue down the form. We're going to need to enter your payment details, your account name, which is how your name appears on your account. Then the BIC, you can use the BIC lookup tool if you're not sure, and your full IBAN number. Then tick the box I agree to terms and conditions and tick the other box I accept privacy policy. You can click on the links to read those if you like. Then submit the application form and the application will be complete.